Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will walk you through on how you can become a travel agent partner of Jetstar. So currently, we are on Jetstar's homepage. For you to be able to register your travel agency business, you just need to scroll down at the bottom of this website and click this travel agents link. So basically, this is being designed for travel agents only. So if you already registered as one of Jetstar's travel agent partner, then you can go ahead and log in. But for now, we are going to register our travel agency. So click on register now. Alright, so this is the registration form that you need to fill out. So just fill out everything that has an asterisk right here. So the title, name of director or proprietor, organization, email address, finance email address, phone number, and so on. Okay, just need to fill out those with asterisk. And once done, you can just go ahead and click on I agree to these terms and conditions and click on register agency, and you should be good. Okay, and once you have successfully registered your account or your organization or your travel agency to Jetstar, then you should be able to receive a thank you message from Jetstar saying thank you for registering your organization with Jetstar, and your application will be processed in the next 2 business days. And after 2 business days, you should be able to receive an activation notification from Jetstar notifying you that your organization had already been approved and activated. And from there, you should be able to start using Jetstar's travel agent account through the link that they are going to provide you, the Agent Hub link. Alrighty, so that would be all on how you can become a travel agent partner of Jetstar. I hope it helps. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.